Now for these questions, we're multiplying by or multiplying multiples of 1,000, so numbers that end in 3 zeros. So 2 times 3,000 is 6,000. That's because 2 times 3 is 6, but then if we have 3 end zeros in a multiplication question, we need 3 end zeros in our answer. So 5,000 times 9 is 45,000, because 5 times 9 is 45, and then 3 end zeros in the question means we need 3 end zeros in the answer. 8 times 8,000 is 64,000, because 8 times 8 is 64, then if there's 3 zeros in a multiplication question, there's always 3 end zeros in the answer.